Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw USDT from Crypto.com to Kucoin in 2025. Whether you're a crypto beginner or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your funds smoothly and securely. With the crypto world evolving fast, it's crucial to stay updated, so let's dive right in. First things first, before you start, make sure you have verified accounts on both Crypto.com and Kucoin. You'll also need some USDT in your Crypto.com wallet and the exact wallet address from Kucoin. Always double-check for security. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com account. Open the app or website, enter your credentials, and go to the Wallets section. Find your USDT balance and select the Withdraw option. This is usually under a Transfer or Withdraw tab. Step 2. Choose the network for your withdrawal. USDT can be on networks like Tron, TRC20, or Ethereum, ERC20. So pick the one that matches your Kucoin wallet to avoid any issues or extra fees. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember to account for any network or platform fees. Step 3. Paste your Kucoin USDT wallet address. Head over to your Kucoin account, go to Assets, or Deposit, and copy the USDT address. Back on Crypto.com, paste it in, add any required memos or tags if needed, and review the details carefully. Step 4. Confirm and complete the withdrawal. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll likely need to approve it via email, app notification, or two-factor authentication. Once done, the transfer should process quickly, often within minutes depending on the network. A quick tip: keep an eye on transaction fees. They can vary, so use tools like blockchain explorers to track your transfer. In 2025, with more advanced security features, always enable withdrawals only from trusted devices. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your USDT safely in Kucoin. If you run into any hiccups, check the help sections on both platforms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.